Being a storefront business owner should not mean missing out on life. After all, I bet that you got into this business because you wanted to set your own hours and you wanted to be your own boss. And the good news is that you can, simply by ensuring that your business is fully optimized so that you can enjoy your time off without worrying. And today I'm gonna share 4 different ways that you can optimize your business to live a better life. My name is Winnie Standish, and I have built multiple successful businesses utilizing hard work and dedication. Today, we are going to ensure that your business is fully optimized so that you can live the very best life, whatever that may look like. So let's dive straight into 4 different ways that you can optimize your business. Number 1, hire help for your specific need. It may seem obvious that hiring help is going to reduce the hours that you spend in the business, but many business owners choose not to hire because it is an extreme expense, and it may be an expense that you're not quite prepared for. Perhaps you're still struggling to pay your business bills, or perhaps you're just not busy enough to justify hiring help and you're trying to figure it out all on your own. But here's what I want you to consider. Can you afford not to hire help? And what do I mean by that? Well, if you're overworked and currently doing everything in your business, how will you have the time or energy to actually do the task that's going to move your company forward and thereby increasing your profit? If you continue on the same path by not hiring help, you will find that your company is going to stay exactly where you are now, but never move forward. Or alternatively, if you're not yet that busy and you're spending a lot of time and effort figuring out how to do new things, you may be missing your real opportunity to focus on the things that you're good at. By hiring expert help in areas that you're not a professional, you can actually accelerate your growth by ensuring that you have an expert on your side who can guide you towards profit. An example of such help could be a business strategist or a coach that's doing a similar business to yours so that you can ensure you're getting advice from a trusted source. Remember to do your research before hiring an expert. There are a lot of people out there, especially with YouTube and the internet, and people love to call themselves titles without actually having any experience backing that up. At the end of the day, it's important that you get the help that you need for your type of business. And yes, it will come at a cost, but it's a cost that's gonna triple itself in profit very soon. The second way that you can optimize your business and thereby live a better life is by improving your customer's first impression of your business. Did you know that according to Google, 88% of consumers who Google a business on their mobile device either visit or call that store that they found within 1 day? That means that your online presence has to be as strong as your in-person. And it doesn't matter if you have the nicest or prettiest shop in the whole world, because unless the customer actually gets to your store, they will never know that. So by having a strong online presence, by standing out, you ensure that that customer gets converted into a paying customer. How do you do that? Well, for starters, you want to have a professional website. You want to make sure that it's a clean looking website and that it's up to date. That means removing old promotions and ensuring that the contact information is correct. You also want to make sure that it's mobile friendly. Today, more and more consumers are only on their phones, and we're finding ourselves less on our computers. So by ensuring that you have a mobile friendly website, you improve their overall experience. By optimizing your online presence, You ensure you have the best chance at converting a potential client into a paying client, and thereby making your life a lot better by spending less time acquiring new customers. The third way that you can improve your life is by simply decreasing your stress by learning from your mistakes. As a small business owner and human, we are bound to make mistakes. But how you handle mistakes and how you reflect upon them will set you apart in the future and help you decrease your stress. When an issue arises, whether it's upsetting a customer or upsetting a staff member or handling a conflict, make sure that you take the time following to write down what happened. Reflect upon it, and then write down what you would do differently next time should the same situation occur. Try to also review the mistake from the other person's perspective, whether that's a staff member or a customer. Write down the issue exactly the way that it happened, and then take some time to reflect upon it. Following that, I recommend that you write down what you would do differently next time should the same situation occur. And if the mistake happened due to a breakdown in communication, then this is a perfect opportunity to write down what we in the industry call a standard operating procedure. Once you have taken the time to write an SOP, which is a standard operating procedure, then make sure that you distribute it to anyone who will be handling this task going forward. Also ensure that you allow your staff the opportunity to ask questions about the SOP so that there is no further miscommunication from this piece of document. By completing all of these, you will ensure that you have less stress in your life simply by learning from your mistakes. If you're currently enjoying this episode, don't forget to like and subscribe for more great content, because every week you will find valuable content that will help you grow your business as an amazing entrepreneur. And the last strategy that I have for you today in order to improve your business life by optimizing your business is by simply writing down your task list. One of the reasons that I have been so successful in my multiple business ventures is because I write everything down on paper. But not just on any paper. I use a notebook, and I use a system called the Kickstarter Journal system. It's an inexpensive notebook that allows you to move your task forward so that you never forget about a task. It also allows you to set the goals that you want for yourself and keeps you accountable so that you don't neglect actually doing them. If you would like to learn more about this system, then I invite you to check out the Kickstarter Journal course, which is a course that I created for entrepreneurs just like you so that you also can grow your company and be as efficient as possible. Simply use the code YouTube as a little thank you for watching today's episode all the way till the end. My name is Winnie Standish, and I hope you have enjoyed today's episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more great content, and leave me a comment below and let me know how many of these strategies you're going to implement into your business. Hopefully all of them. And if you'd like to learn more about me and how I help business entrepreneurs such as yourself, please visit my social handles or my website and we can continue this conversation. Have a positive day.